from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
One Henrico couple struck it rich on New Year's Day, and a Henrico fire leaves 3 people without a home. We'll tell you about it in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Monday, January 16th, 2023. It's Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and today's News Minute is brought to you by the law firm of Barnes & Deal.
And now for the news.
Well, it was a great start to the new year for one Henrico couple who was among 5 winners of $1 million as part of a Virginia lottery game. Michael and Michelle Anderson, who once worked together as Richmond City firefighters, won the Virginia's New Year's Millionaire Raffle game after Michael Anderson bought a ticket at the CVS on 9167 Staples Mill Road. Anderson is now retired. His wife still works for the Richmond Fire Department. The other $4 million winning tickets were bought in Danville, Burke, Midlothian, and Woodbridge. 3 people were displaced from their home in Verina when it caught fire on Friday night. It happened on Kingsland Road, and fire department officials believe that weather might have been one reason why the fire spread so quickly. Winds were gusting up to about 25 miles an hour that night. Officials are continuing to investigate the cause of the fire. Families of high school seniors who are in good standing in school and who die during their senior years would be able to receive a diploma if a bill in the Virginia House of Delegates ultimately becomes law. Richmond Delegate Don Adams has proposed the bill, House Bill 1514. It would require the state's Board of Education to allow diplomas to be awarded in such unfortunate circumstances. Adams introduced the bill after receiving a letter in June from a mother who had lost her son to gun violence in November 2021. The mother was unable to receive anything more than a certificate of completion on his behalf from his school. Adams wrote to the superintendent of the school system, Virginia Governor Glenn Youngkin, and Secretary of Education Amy Gadara, but was unable to secure a waiver to allow that diploma to be awarded. The bill is awaiting a committee referral. Nonprofits and community-based organizations take note. Atlantic Union Bank is offering grants to support paid internship programs this summer. It's now accepting applications from groups who would like to pay interns. There will be 10 grants of $3,750 awarded throughout the state. You have until 11:59 p.m. on February 1st to submit your application. You can find a link on our website, henricocitizen.com, by clicking on this article. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Barnes & Deal. Barnes & Deal has emerged as a highly respected family law firm over the past 3 decades with the resources, skills, and experience necessary to handle high-asset divorces and other complex family law matters across Virginia. To learn more, visit barnesfamilylaw.com, that's BARNES, or call 796-1000.